good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today we're going to be discussing how to access the testing server where we're going to be building the new website. To do that, you'll have to use a web browser of your choice, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, whatever suits your fancy. Go ahead and click and open that up. Once there in the browser, you can type www.m2echicago.com/WPC Munster/WPC. This is a temporary domain that we are utilizing on the server simply for the purpose of monitoring the development. Once the website has been fully completed and up to snuff with the tech team, then we will make that template live by redirecting the DNS of the old hosting to the new, and we will get rid of this domain and replace it with wpcmunster.org. But for this tutorial, let's take a look at this. It's m2echicago.com/WPC Munster/WPC. If we click enter, it'll take us to the testing site. And what you'll notice pretty right up front here is we've done a little work. The initial theme was red and black. We have this nice little texturized matting here on the back of the menu. We've got a simplified menu item here with some drop downs. Under life at WPC, we have WPC staff, preschool, room requests, and logins. We have a nice new robust calendar, and we are currently importing the old Google Calendar contact information into the new calendar. We can take a look at that in another tutorial. Pastor, here we have some sermons. We can also have other relevant information. An outreach link, ministries, which are in this case children's, missions, music ministry, and youth, and an about us link. You can see in the background we've got a couple of images sort of scanning. We have a volleyball that describes youth. We've got an adult ministries image, got that generic image. We have our preschool image with Pastor Dave and a little choir image, something to highlight a few of the different ministries, outreaches, and services that the church provides. When you first come down, I've taken the liberty of adding our traditional and contemporary services, times description, and highlights to sort of give people a look into what each of those services offers. We have some generic event calendars organized into a carousel in which the event that's occurring first appears. Actually, this is in descending order, so we have here the most recent dates or past dates and the most relevant dates or dates that are closest to our time. We've also incorporated a weekly calendar button, which you can click just to look at an agenda. We could have the months show, we could have a day show, we can change the weeks or days here. We also have a place for our pastor's information. So this doesn't have to just be, pastor's information. We could change this to staff at WPC and have a list of all the different staff members, and people can click through and get a quick bio of what they do with an email, phone number, and information to contact the relevant party. We also have the latest sermons. Here we have connected videos, which will pop up. We'll talk about those later. Audio files. They can download an audio file or text file, and also something that they can read. And then we have some recent news here. Well, that's the summary, an introduction to the new website. If you'd like, you can visit that by going to m2echicago.com/WPC Munster/WPC.